While hiking through the lush expanse of an ancient forest, I stumbled upon an unexpected discovery that would forever change my perspective on environmental conservation. As I gathered litter, my hands brushing against the cool earth and fallen leaves, I noticed a peculiar gathering of woodland creatures, squirrels, rabbits, and birds, all working in harmony to clean their home. This hidden society, dedicated to preserving the forest's pristine beauty, operated with a sense of purpose and unity. Their small paws and beaks meticulously sorted through the refuse, turning discarded debris into something new and vibrant. I watched in awe, my heart swelling with inspiration, realizing that these creatures were not just inhabitants of the forest but its diligent caretakers. This magical encounter deepened my resolve to protect the natural world and share its wonders with others, knowing that every small effort contributes to a larger legacy of stewardship and hope.